Let's have a look at another 2 cards and see what combination comes up. The Page of Swords, really interesting card of news. Page of Swords is usually something that you receive either, let's say, email, let's say a news article, let's say the internet, social media, but there's definitely something incoming verbally. Together with a Knight of Pentacles. This is the only knight in the tarot that's not moving. He's standing still. There's a very grounded energy with the Knight of Pentacles. He's thinking about what he wants to plant, what he wants to do, how he wants to move forward. So this is that quiet contemplation together with some news, something coming in. So maybe he's waiting for the markets. It could be the stock markets, getting the right signals before he does his investment. This could be waiting on some news about the weather. It could be in terms of farming or something that you're waiting for the right signals to plant your seeds and to have the crop and the harvest. Or this could just be somebody that is waiting on news before deciding to move forward with something, maybe waiting for house prices to be favorable before buying a house. But this is definitely a card combination of some news incoming and which way to move forward.